I'm all about it. I'm good with that as long as I don't screw up all y'all's good.
The mission of Texas Ramp Project is to make sure that anybody who has financial need in Texas can get a ramp built so that you're not stuck in your house and that you can get out and enjoy the world, get to your doctor's appointments, and have a good time.
My name is Brittany Pratt. I am the Vice President for Social Responsibility at WellMed, and I also work with the WellMed Charitable Foundation. And today we have a group of WellMed employees volunteering alongside the Texas Ramp Project. They are a longtime nonprofit partner with WellMed and the WellMed Charitable Foundation. They build ramps for individuals all around the state, and many of them end up being our own WellMed patients, older adults, families who find themselves uncomfortable in their own home because their home is not modified for a wheelchair for safety. It's important for them to be able to live in their own home as long as possible, maintain that independence, and Texas Ramp is able to do that.
Anybody with a mobility issue may need a ramp, and Texas is a big state, and we want to make sure everybody gets out to enjoy their lives.
Today's a special build, and we're real excited because we're nearing the end. As you can see behind me, we will soon have a ramp for this family, for a gentleman who has been having some gait challenges and mobility challenges, so this ramp will allow him to leave and enter his home safer. Before today, what did it take for you to get in and out of your home?
Just walking up the stairs, help from my wife or one of my kids.
Is there anything you're looking forward to doing now that you have the ramp?
Easier access, going outside and enjoying the outdoors.
We are thrilled that Texas Ramp Project has been in existence for 40 years. It's proof that the service being provided is needed, and it is such a special feeling of joy to be able to see a client take a look at their ramp and to be able to get out of their house and know that in less than a day we've really changed somebody's life and really helped them.